So guys, I'm going to show you my handwork. As you can see, the abbreviation of my name is always there. That is HLG, meaning High Level of Grace Leather Workshop. HLG is the abbreviation. I made those yellow bags, you're seeing them. This bag made represents the map of Africa, the pride of Africa. This is the red version of the first one. All right, this lady is rocking the croc I made for her. This is a classic croc for pretty lady. Okay, while this one is the top of a high heel. All right, a twist top. This high heel is so unique, so this is the lasting process. So all I was saying is for you to carefully pin the insole and then you cut out the excess. I was looking for a scissors, finally cut once, bro. Hello, cut the second side, and that's just all about it. Now next step, get your you pin it, you pin it, you pin it. You call it staple, gun, or whatever name you call it. So that's it. Your last thing is still going on, so you can call it a bridal heel or something, just testing it. But this particular top exactly, man, is so sweet. Just give it a try. Second one, just make this type of a top and your clients are gonna love it. Resident, because it's so unique. So guys, this is the workshop of High Level of Grace. My boys, they are my friends, they are my family, they are my like I love these guys, I love all of them. All right, so that's my hand over there. I was like, you get money, oh, you get money for this shop, oh. That's his wallet. So guys, this is High Level of Grace Leather Workshop, HLG. All right, having a good time with my wonderful people. Yes, they learn from tutor HLG and they're doing greatly well. God has blessed them. All right, some of them are married, some change or added other business to the leather work. Yes, one of them there is an army officer. The Lord has blessed me with that. I never expected this guy would join the army because the way he was doing at the workshop. There's nothing God cannot do. One of them is an army. All right, so now, so we have musical instrument in the workshop. Some people, when they come, they'll be like, is that a church? So guys, this is a pretty fashion bag. The Gusset, you see this bag, it's like a cycle, like a semi-cycle. I don't know how to describe this shape because it's not completely a cycle if you look at the base. Process of another pretty bag. So you see this one, making with the collar. This is a testimony from an online student. Is it from Cameroon or something? All right, so this pretty messenger bag with genuine leather. This is a fashion clutch. All right, yes, this one, can you see classic bags making? Become a boss, become a pro in classic bags making. My WhatsApp number is right here. We use both genuine leather and quality synthetic materials for the classic bags we make. Okay, you want to join the training class, the videos are step by step. Of course, you want to see my face sitting and then sewing. That's me rushing this black bag. That is I'm sewing the edges. Okay, yes, I know a lot of people are trying to get this machine. Some are looking for the cylinder bed, some the post bed, some the 360, some flat bed, some 180 degree. There is 360 degree, there is 180 degree. So whatever you're looking for, you get it. So message me on